Well, we've just seen a few moments ago the defense in this particular matter concluding the cross-examination of the investigating officer who's a state witness at this point. We've heard quite a number of stuff being brought by the defense in this case, where the defense questioned the investigating officer on some of the evidence that was not taken by the South African Police Service on the day Jayden-Meek was found lifeless on that particular staircase. And speaking of that particular staircase, we've also heard an argument from the defense, Noven Naidoo, alluding to the fact that the security guard on duty that morning might have picked Jayden up, taken him to another set of stairs not too far from where he was found. So basically what he's arguing is that that body was moved, but the investigating officer refuting those claims, saying that that is not what he has on the statements that he collected from the witnesses that particular morning, also reiterating the fact that the accused in this matter, the mother of Jayden-Meek, was alone in that apartment at around 5 a.m. that morning. We did hear on the statement from the investigating officer saying that the security guard says that Tiffany walked into the apartment at around 4 o'clock in the morning and was there until just after 5:30 a.m. and that a neighbor passed at 5:30 at that particular place where Jayden-Lee's body was found and saw nobody. And then 6:25, an hour later, someone else who was walking, a resident who was walking their child to the gate, says they saw something that looked like a body. Therefore, going to the security guard, informing them of what they saw. And that is just some of the things that the state was trying to bring across to the defense in this matter. The defense also asking what then happens should Tiffany Meek be found not guilty. We also heard them arguing the number of times that Tiffany has had to be in custody while the state concludes its case. We've just heard the investigating officer saying that the investigation into this matter has not yet been concluded, but is close to being completed. But the defense saying that General Kekana, who we interviewed on the day of the mother's arrest, had alluded to the fact that the investigation was complete. But the investigating officer saying once again that they concluded the investigation that led to the arrest, but not the investigation that will see this matter in trial. So we're expecting closing arguments from both the defense and the state on Monday, and hopefully judgment by Tuesday.